Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at DynaTrace. This is ticker DT. Now, DynaTrace does have earnings coming up in a couple of days, but it's setting up right around that 55, 56 level. I have it laid out here on the chart, and we can see for the past couple of months and even year, this level has been a pretty clear area of resistance that the stock has really not been able to hold above for too long. In fact, even if I zoom out here and we look all the way back to 2021, this level around 55, 56 was a level that the stock really challenged a handful of times before ultimately breaking out. And so I think if DynaTrace does have a positive earnings report, it has an opportunity to get above that level and ideally stay above that level and potentially get on a nice little run. So I wouldn't do anything with DynaTrace right here, but I would definitely keep it on a watch list and look for a strong move and a close above that 55, 56 zone. And if it can do that, I think that this could turn into a pretty good momentum trade as long as we continue to see strength in the software sector. So DynaTrace is one of many stocks on our growing watch list over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, take a trial. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.